Good morning, sir. My name is J. Pranay Vihar Reddy. My register number is UR15CS150. Today here I am going to explain a program about MedSart and QuickSart. In the MedSart, in the first case, the complexity will be n log n, and in the QuickSart, in the first case, the complexity will be n log n. So usage of MedSart will be better than this QuickSart for sorting. In the MedSart, for sorting, here we wrote a program, and now we will go into the program. In the program, first we declared a header file, and using namespace std is used to include all the files used in the program. And here we have taken the array a of 50, and we declared this in the int data type. And here we declared a function void merge for declaring low, high, and mid values. And if the main condition, if low is less than high, then mid is equal to low plus high minus low by 2, and medsort low comma medsort mid plus 1 comma high, and med low mid high. And these are the basic formulas for this medsort. And here we declared a function void med int low, int mid, and int high. And here we declare the variables h, I, j, b of 50, k in the int data type, and we assign these variables to h to low, I to low, and j to mid plus 1. Now this is the case while h is less than mid and j is less than or equal to high, then a of h, that means a of low less than or equal to a of mid plus 1. Then the condition will become like this: b of I means b of low is equal to a of low, and then increment h. Otherwise, b of I is equal to a of j, that means b of low is equal to a of mid plus 1, and then increment j plus plus, and also increment I plus plus. If the condition is like this, if h is greater than mid, then the condition will become like this: for k is equal to 0, k less than or equal to I, k plus plus, that means b of low is equal to a of k, then increment the I value. Other than this condition, we can if the condition is like this: k is equal to h and k is less than or equal to mid and k plus plus, then the b of low is equal to a of k, and then also increment I plus plus. For k is equal to low and k less than or equal to I, k plus plus, a of k is equal to b of k. And here we declared the int main function. In this main function, we declared number comma I in the integer data type. Here in the output it will show like this: medsort program, and then cout it will ask to enter in the output, it will ask to enter the number of elements we want to sort. If we enter the number of elements we want in the scene, we have to give the number of elements we have to sort, and then it will ask to enter the numbers that are to be sorted. Then we have to enter the numbers, and this is the condition: for I is equal to 1, I less than now I plus plus, and scene is a of I. Cout ndl, and then it will show the sorted list. After by using the medsort, it will sort, and then it will show the output: for I is equal to 1, I less than now I plus plus. This is the condition, and the cout will be a of I. Now we will see the output. In the output, first we have to enter the number elements to be sorted. I will enter 3. Now it will ask to enter any 3 numbers for sorting. If I enter 3 different elements, 34, 21, and 45, then it will sort and show us. See, it is sorting these values according to the increment order: 21, 34, and 45. And this is for medsort. Now we will see the QuickSart. In the QuickSart, here also we declare the header file, and here we also use the library file ConeRadar, and using namespace std to include all the files. Here we declare int low, int high, and int point array, and here we declare the variables I, h is equal to I, l is equal to p comma t, and here p is equal to a of low. While if this is the condition: low is less than high, then a of I is less than p, and then increment this low plus. This means low plus plus, and then if A of H is greater than P, that means this value is higher than P, then decrement the H value. Then if low is less than high, then P is equal to A of 1 and A of 1 is equal to A of H. That means A of 1 value is equal to A of I, and then assign this A of H value to this T. If the other than this condition, then if this will exist, T is equal to P and P is equal to A of 1, A of 1 is equal to T, and we will end up there. Now here we used a void quicksort function, that is int 1, int h and int pointer a. Here we declared if this 1 is less than high, then index is equal to part of 1 ha, and for this quicksort 1 comma index minus 1 a, and for this quicksort for this quick function we have used index plus 1 comma h comma a. And then in the int main we declared the variables in the data type. We have 100 n comma 1 comma h comma I, and here in the cout it will ask to enter the elements, then we have to enter the elements in Cn, and the here it will ask to enter the number of elements to be sorted, then here we have to enter the number of elements. Here it will ask to enter which elements we want to be sorted, then we have to enter the elements to be sorted, and this will work according to this condition: I is equal to 0, I less than I plus plus, and Cin statement will be A of I, and it will show the initial array, means that which we have entered, and then after sorting, that is for I is equal to 0, I less than I plus plus, Cout will be A of I, H is equal to n minus 1, and these are the condition to be sorted. And then it will, after all this condition, it will show the sorted elements from this I is equal to 0, I less than I plus plus, Cout will be A of A. This is after sorting. Now we will see the output. It is asking to enter the number of elements for sorting. If I enter as 3, it will ask to enter the elements. If I enter as 23, 45 and 12, see initial array what we have entered, it is showing means 23, 45 and 12 what we have entered, and after sorting these elements, this is the output 12, 23 and 45. So medsort will be more useful, more efficient than this quicksort, because in the medsort the complexity in the worst case will be good than this quicksort. So this is my program, sir. Thank you.